Ballet Crypto Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Ballet Crypto Wallet app takes a refreshingly simple approach to crypto storage. No passwords, no complicated setups, just a physical wallet you can hold in your hand. But is it too simple for today's crypto world? Let's break down the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, the Ballet wallet is all about ease of use. Unlike most hardware wallets that require setup, seed phrases and pins, Ballet wallets come pre-configured and ready to use. You simply scan the code using the Ballet app, load your crypto, and you're good to go. Another major advantage is offline security. The wallet's private key is generated offline, split into two parts, and never stored digitally. This makes it immune to hacks, phishing or malware, ideal for long-term storage. It supports over 200 cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various ERC20 tokens. The Ballet app lets you check balances, manage assets, and even view portfolio performance without exposing your keys to the internet. The wallet's physical design is also a plus. Made from stainless steel, it's durable and tamper-resistant, almost like a physical gold card for your crypto. Now, for the cons. The main issue with Ballet Wallet is that it's not fully open source. You're placing some trust in the company's manufacturing process, which might concern hardcore decentralization advocates. Another limitation is that it's not a hardware wallet in the traditional sense. There's no built-in screen or chip, meaning if someone gains physical access to your wallet and reveals your private key, your funds could be compromised. And while simplicity is great for beginners, advanced users may find it lacking. There's no staking, no DeFi access, and no direct trading options within the app. In conclusion, the Ballet Crypto Wallet app is perfect for users who want secure, no-fuss cold storage without the technical headaches. It's simple, tangible, and safe as long as you handle it responsibly. If you want a wallet that feels like holding your crypto in your hand, Ballet delivers elegance, simplicity, and peace of mind.